regarding this recruitment of primary teachers in Bihar. Now, your Lordship is aware because your Lordship had issued
for the Bihar matter, your Lordship wanted to send it to the other bench. There is an order there.
I'll just
State
take
had withdrawn.
Which was withdrawn by the state.
No, there's another order brought by 3 judges saying that state of Bihar will comply with this. That's the problem.
That order.
I'll tell your Lordship what the problem is. There
Let's
was
just see this.
that bench.
Yes. So let's just see this order, page 2. Page 2, present petition stands allowed in terms of prayer so and so. The extent of the same relates consequential adverse other steps taken pursuant shall also stand invalidated. State of Bihar is not a party before this court in this petition. As such, we make no comment as regards the notification issued by state of Bihar, legality of which has been challenged in this written. But this court expects that the state of Bihar shall take into account the judgment of this court. So state will have no option now but to follow that judgment.
the problem is
So since these 3 judges have said this,
Say well, place it there.
place it there.
your Lordship had issued notice in a similar matter arising out of Chhattisgarh. If your Lordship just sees page 487.
Actually, that has created the confusion.
No, that has not created the We-
Ours was a
what
part
would happen
of the
in-
main judgment
And
procedure.
there those
State of
those
Bihar
persons
was a
were
party.
not parties, they came here, we allowed them
In
to.
Bihar, there was never challenge by anybody at any stage through the recruitment process which began this year on May 15.
Anyway, this will go to the other bench.
So very well. The Lordship may list it immediately because
Kindly see the page.
Anybody else wants to put in a word also, you can. Then we will say.
the Lordship may list it at the earliest possible. All the results are held up.
That's, we can let them decide. Considering the fact that an issue pertaining to such recruitments was considered by a bench headed by Honorable Justice Aniruddha Bose, and certain observations have been made by the registry to obtain orders from Honorable the Chief Justice and place the matter before the bench as ordered by the CJI.
Obliged.
Clearly, there's no abeyance on the declaration of results or anything. I don't want.
No, we are not
Very
just
well.
Your Lordship may say as early as possible because the
registry
results are all
matters
held up.
as expeditiously as possible.
I am of that.
Some decorum, with great respect.
I'm so sorry.
Later I am saying.
File
we need to file.
order against you. Sorry, at present there is no order against you.
No, but they're asking for time.
Yes.
Very well, not but.
And they are even not on caveat. They are just appeared, not just.
Beyond as per letter. Very
Yes.
good, very good. Have you filed caveat?
No, not, they are not.
Find applications to get answers because it's our appointment that they are not challenging.
It's a review in the garb of a written.
Yes, my lord.
Sorry.
Their civil appeals have been dismissed.
I am only saying there is an order of your lordship which has to be not further passed in another petition. That's all.
3 years we have been working.
That was speaking of it. Those who have
That's good.
already entered the basis of TET. Let's not be disturbed. Working for some time. What you made that for primary, they should pass that primary, whatever, VLET or something. And VA would be for above that. So, but earlier, because of the motivation, a lot of people have been taken in. Will continue.
Yes, but what we are saying is clear from the prayer itself.
We'll see on that. I don't know why there is so much anxiety from the other side.
We have been working.
I am surprised rather. Not there is a letter. I am just saying that 2 weeks time maybe.
We were not served with the letter, so we were not aware.
We have adjourned.
Yes, no, deeply obliged. Obliged.
What in the,
Please, your lordship.
in the execution proceeding also? What is
That
there?
has been transferred.
Kindly see order 21 rule 6.
Ideally,